Hey folks, we're draining the oil out of the Teryx. Right on. It's about a 4-quart drain. And then the oil's looking a little dark. But that's to be expected for winter runs and stuff. But yeah, we didn't change the oil filter yet. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's other videos on there and stuff. But what you need to take the drain plug off is a let me see what, make sure I'm right here. Yeah, I believe it was a 17. Yeah. Right on. Let this drain out for a good while. But yeah, that's winter rough start and stuff like that too. So yeah. Right on. Low piece, it'd be grease. Be cool, be kind. We're just doing an oil change on an 800 Teryx. Right on. I'm going. Later, folks. Boom to the boom. Yeah.